Well, as far as Narendra Modi is concerned, the actual action will kick off tomorrow. For today, he's staying put in Gandhinagar. But once the votes begin counting tomorrow, and we'll be getting you live coverage of that for every moment. We've got reporters across Gujarat, and we'll be tracking Modi when he arrives in Delhi as well. There are going to be rallies tomorrow. He's got a jam-packed schedule in Vadodara and Ahmedabad today. Let's just run you through what those are. On counting day tomorrow, Modi will first go to Vadodara, one of the two constituencies, remember, that he's fighting from. He will be addressing a rally in Vadodara. Speculation is that in the event of winning from both seats, he will reveal to the people of Vadodara which seat he will retain in the evening tomorrow. Modi will return to Ahmedabad, where he will address his second rally of the day. On Saturday, Modi will head to Delhi, but there are speculations that in case he wins the Varanasi seat, he may hold a roadshow in the holy city before heading to Delhi. That makes it his third roadshow in less than a month in the holy city. Modi will also attend the BJP Parliamentary Board meet that is slated for Saturday. So a crucial and jam-packed 36 to 48 hours lined up for Narendra Modi. Not surprising at all, given what the exit polls are saying. The BJP definitely on a high at this time and planning event management in overdrive as we speak to make sure that the political spectacle of a potential or expected victory is something seriously memorable. I want to go straight across the headlines today. Is Aditi Anantanarayanan joining me live this morning from right outside the BJP headquarters in the national capital. Good morning, Aditi. Event management, definitely one of the BJP's big cards. And if the election campaign polling season has been anything to go by, and if the election exit poll results, go the way they've actually been, put out, this is going to be one hell of a party for the BJP.
Absolutely. In fact, the BJP workers and the BJP top brass is all set for tomorrow, Shevin. They have planned the celebrations already. In fact, the BJP workers in the national capital have decided that there's going to be huge pomp and show as soon as Narendra Modi arrives in the national capital on Saturday evening. That is when the parliamentary board meeting will be taking place right here at the BJP headquarters in the national capital. In fact, the BJP at this point of time is treating extremely cautiously, Shev. They are putting all the permutation combination of the numbers that the BJP and the NDA together can achieve after the results come out tomorrow. The crucial meeting of the parliamentary board will take place where the fate of all the top leaders, Shev, will be decided. Yesterday as well, there was a crucial meeting in Gandhinagar where a BJP delegation of Nitin Gadkari, Rajnath Singh and Arun Jaitley had gone to meet Narendra Modi, and what we get to know from our sources is Sushma Swaraj's portfolio, what will be the future of LK Advani and Murli Manohar Joshi too was discussed. However, the BJP is extremely confident. This is just the second step that the BJP needs to take as to who will get what after the BJP forms the government. But firstly and foremostly, the BJP is super excited. That's what we can tell you, Shiv. They are eagerly waiting for tomorrow when the results come out. And after that is going to be the grandest celebration that the country and the national capital would have ever seen in any of the general elections, Shiv.
Aditi, I know you're far away from Ahmedabad at this moment, but you'll be there soon. Any inputs from your sources about what Narendra Modi is going to be spending his day like today? We understand it's going to be, there's nothing on his agenda. He's pretty much just going to be relaxing in Gandhinagar ahead of a very hectic few days starting tomorrow.
What we're getting to know, Shev, that Narendra Modi will not be free again. He will be holding closed-door meetings with his party workers. That's his schedule for today. Yesterday he had a huge meeting. A day before yesterday he had met his party MLAs. So today also what we get to know is not very high profile, but he will be having meetings with his party workers to plan out how his day will be scheduled for tomorrow and for day after tomorrow. So definitely Narendra Modi is not taking a rest at this point of time, Shev. He's all prepared. He's out there. He is just ready for tomorrow, and the plannings have already begun. The strategies are in place, and it's just moments from now, just a matter of 24 more hours when the results are going to be out, and it will be seen whether the BJP actually gets the numbers that they are expecting or not, Shiv.
All right, Aditi, thanks very much for getting us that. We'll be live with Aditi again.